This method is significantly slower. I don't like this one. If you're going to hunt, at least use 5 pumps. Because otherwise it doesn't have enough power. So just like that, I'll show you what it can do like that. Okay, I'm just gonna aim for that dirt mound right near that charger. And that's what it can do. So I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, just for the funsies, let me demonstrate what one pump can do. No more powerful than a very cheap airsoft gun with one pump. So this is what they look like side by side to each other. And yeah, that's my thing for BB guns. This is a airsoft rifle, scoped, bolt action. If you want me to show you guys how to use an airsoft gun properly, how to sight it in, and how to maintain it, please just comment below. I would really appreciate it if I could get up to probably 50 subscribers. I would be pretty happy to see that. So yeah, if you could share it, ask other people to subscribe to my channel, and yeah.